Did you know that the 1969 Camaro is one of the most iconic and sought-after classic cars in the world? It's a piece of American muscle car history that enthusiasts dream of taking for a spin. Who wouldn't want to get behind the wheel of a legend like that? Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm beyond excited to talk about a true American classic, the 1969 Camaro. This car isn't just any vehicle, it's a symbol of freedom, raw power, and nostalgia for a golden era of automobiles. Restoring one of these beauties isn't just a project, it's a passion-filled journey, and the best part? You get to bring a piece of history roaring back to life. Now, before we dive into all the fun stuff, let's get real about some of the challenges you might face when restoring a 1969 Camaro. First and foremost, sourcing parts. Some of these components are so rare they might as well be treasure. You'll probably find yourself hunting through junkyards or endlessly scrolling through online marketplaces. Then, there's the inevitable rust. These cars have been around for over 5 decades, and many have been left exposed to the elements. Rust can turn a dream restoration into a nightmare if you're not careful. And let's not forget about that engine. Bringing it back to life is no simple task. If it's been sitting idle for years, getting it running again can feel like solving a complex puzzle. But hey, every great adventure comes with its challenges, right? Alright, let's get into the meat of the restoration process. The first step is assessing the overall condition of the car. You'll want to inspect everything from the bodywork to the drivetrain so you can build a solid restoration game plan. Once you have a clear idea of what needs work, it's time to source the parts. You'll likely hit a few dead ends along the way, but persistence is key. Don't give up. After you've gathered everything you need, the real fun begins. Whether you're stripping off old paint, repairing rust damage, or rebuilding the engine from scratch, each step of the process is incredibly rewarding. With each turn of the wrench, you're breathing new life into an automotive legend. Before you know it, you'll watch this rusty old shell transform into a gleaming classic, ready to hit the road. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Imagine this: after countless hours of work, sweat, and maybe a few setbacks, it's time to turn the key and fire up the engine for the first time post-restoration. There's this electric buzz of anticipation in the air. You twist the key, and suddenly, roar. The engine comes alive, and that sound is pure magic. It's a moment of triumph, pride, and a deep sense of satisfaction, knowing that all your hard work has paid off. Nothing beats the feeling of hearing that 1969 Camaro engine roar back to life under your hands. Restoring a 1969 Camaro is more than just a project, it's an incredible journey. Sure, it comes with its fair share of challenges, from sourcing parts to overcoming rust and mechanical issues, but the experience is beyond rewarding. It's not just about the car itself, it's about the skills you gain, the memories you create, and the thrill of bringing a piece of automotive history back to life. So, what do you think? Have you ever taken on a restoration project, or are you thinking about starting one? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for some inspiration or tips, be sure to check out my other restoration videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep those engines roaring.